Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to increase zoom efficiently. First, verify your iPhone model and iOS version because optical zoom limits differ. Open the camera app and choose photo or portrait. Those modes handle zoom smoothly. Tap and hold on the subject to lock AE/AF, then use pinch-out gesture to begin zooming. Once done, make sure to use the on-screen 1x, 2x, or 0. 5x buttons for clean jumps instead of continuous pinch when available. This preserves image quality. Now refine the zoom for best results. Select the telephoto button like 2x or 3x to use optical zoom rather than digital. Optical keeps detail. If you need editing latitude, switch to Pro RAW in settings for higher dynamic range or HEIF for smaller files. Once done, stabilize the phone with both hands or a tripod to reduce blur. Make sure to enable grid lines to compose, and if using a manual camera app, turn on focus, peaking for precise focus while zoomed. Finish by reviewing your shot and using edit to crop or sharpen as necessary. Cropping can simulate extra zoom with some quality loss. If images are soft or artifacts appear, first clean the lens, then restart the camera app and try again. Make sure background apps aren't using excessive resources. For more reach without quality sacrifice, consider a reputable third-party camera app with lossless zoom modes or a physical clip-on telephoto lens. If problems persist, reboot the phone and retest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.